On this day in history, April 4th, back in 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen founded Microsoft Corporation. This event was not only important but also quite funny considering the fact that at the time, neither of the founders had any idea what the personal computer industry would become. Bill Gates and Paul Allen met while they were both students at Lakeside School in Seattle. They discovered their shared interest in computers, and together they wrote their first computer program to help schedule classes for their school. This program quickly became popular among other schools in the area, and it wasn't long before the two budding entrepreneurs saw a business opportunity. In 1975, Gates and Allen decided to start their own company, which they called Microsoft, later changed to Microsoft. Their initial goal was to create software for the newly emerging personal computer market, which at the time was still in its infancy. The two entrepreneurs had very little capital, and they started out by writing programs for other companies. Their big break came in 1980 when IBM approached them to develop an operating system for their upcoming personal computer. Microsoft delivered MS-DOS, which quickly became the industry standard for PC operating systems. Over the years, Microsoft has grown into one of the largest and most influential companies in the world, with products like Windows, Office, Xbox, and more. Bill Gates eventually became one of the richest people in the world, and his philanthropic efforts through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation have had a profound impact on global health and education. Looking back on the founding of Microsoft, it's easy to see how important and groundbreaking it was. But at the time, Gates and Allen had no idea what they were getting into. In fact, in a 1994 interview with Playboy magazine, Gates revealed that he had no idea how big the personal computer industry would become when he founded Microsoft. "I wasn't like Steve Jobs, who was a genius at seeing these things," Gates said. "I didn't have that kind of vision. I just knew that computers were going to be a big deal." Despite their lack of foresight, Gates and Allen managed to create one of the most successful companies in history, and their legacy continues to shape the world we live in today. In conclusion, April 4th marks an important day in history with the founding of Microsoft Corporation. As we celebrate this milestone, it's worth remembering that sometimes the most groundbreaking ideas can come from the most unexpected places.